Next section, psychology of adolescence. Objectives, terminology of adolescence, definition, psychology of adolescence, cognitive development, relationships of adolescence, characteristics of adolescence, psychology of adolescence, age 13 to 19, 5 psychological engines that drive adolescent growth. Important psychological need for adolescent, Erickson's view on adolescent, problems of adolescents, psychological supports to adolescents, role of nurses to fulfill psychological needs of adolescents. Overview. Adolescence psychology is a field of study within the major branch of psychology. Developmental psychology, which also constitutes child and adult psychology. Often a technical term is invented in order to create a social condition and a social fact, and such has been true with respect to the term adolescence. Who is adolescence? A young person who has undergone puberty but who has not reached full maturity. A teenager. Terminology. Latin adolescer, meaning to grow up. Can you define adolescence? The term adolescence is commonly used to describe the transition stage between childhood and adulthood. Adolescence is also equated to both the terms teenage years and puberty. Psychology of adolescence. It is the scientific study of adolescence, psychology and development, how adolescent thoughts, feeling and behavior are affected and influenced by others. Cognitive development. 1. Theoretical perspectives. 2. Improvement in cognitive ability. 3. Hypothetical and abstract thinking. 4. Metacognition. 5. Relativistic thinking. 6. Wisdom. 7. Risk taking. Social development. Identity development, self-concept, sense of identity, environment and identity, sexual orientation and identity, self-esteem, relationship, family, peers, romance and sexual action, Characteristics of adolescence: rapid, perplexing physical change, heightened self-consciousness, intensification of sex urge, craving of independency, peer group relationship, individualism versus realism, vocational choice, a need of self-support, aspiring for leadership, psychology of adolescence, age 13 to 19, perplexity with regard to somatic variations, fear, anxiety, intensification of self-awareness, intensification of self-consciousness, independency versus dependency, peer group relationship, idealism versus realism, occasional choice, need for self-support. 5 psychological engines that drive adolescent growth. One, separation. 2, expansion. 3, differentiation. 4, opposition. 5, responsibility. Detail going on. First, separation. It is to detach enough from the past to open up more freedom, to grow in the present. So the adolescent rejects being kissed and hugged and held like a little child. 2, expansion. It is to increase the range of one's life, experience beyond that of childhood and the bounds of family. Learn how to successfully operate more independently in the larger, more impersonal world. 3, differentiation. It is to experiment with alternative interest, images and association to create an older and more individually fitting identity than the one by which one was known in childhood. 4, opposition. It is to sufficiently contest parental authority and the family structure. Its support for 2 purpose, in order to test the fairness of parental rules and demands and to increasingly push to live more on one's own terms. 5, responsibility. So the adolescents, excited by freedom and believing he can get away with anything. Psychosocial changes. 1, to stand out, to develop an identity and pursue autonomy. 2, to fit in, to find comfortable affiliations and gain acceptance from peers. 3, to measure up, to develop competence and find ways to achieve. 4. To take hold, to make commitments to particular goals, activities and beliefs. Important psychological needs for adolescent. First need for status. Adolescents want to be important, to have a standing in their group, to be recognized and to be regarded as adult. Second, need for independence. Adolescents also want to be free of parental control and to be self-directed. 3. Need for achievement. Adolescents want to be able to achieve something in life, to be successful and to become important. 4. Need for a satisfying philosophy of life. The adolescent, equipped with his newly acquired ability to reason, actively questions most of the things around him and searches for the means of his existence. Look at this picture. Adolescents. Erickson's view on adolescence. Fidelity, identity versus role conflict. Erik Erikson by James Marchier classify the psychological changes of adolescence. First, moratorium. The adolescent actively explores different roles before making a long-term commitment. Second, fidelity. One of the essential components of identity achievement. 3. Emotional autonomy. The individuals who achieve emotional autonomy handle criticism, hurdles and setback controversially by developing their own inner strengths and self-esteem. 4. Identity confusion. It can be expressed in numerous ways and is particularly common during early adolescence. 5. Identity foreclosure. Without taking time to experiment with different roles and never questioning their beliefs. Problems of adolescence. Identity crisis, generation gap, negative and non-conformity attitude, domination of sexual urge, hesitation and confusion, emotional swings, aspiration for autonomy, peer group dominance. Look at this picture. Adolescent. Health problems. Homicide, suicide, motor vehicle crisis including those caused by drinking and driving, substance use and abuse, mental health problems, smoking, sexually transmitted infections including human deficiency virus HIV, teen and unplanned pregnancies, homelessness. Look at this poster. Making health services adolescent friendly. Adolescents are unique. They need quality health services that recognize mental health problems among adolescents. First, depression, severe despondency and dejection, typically felt over a period of time. Anxiety disorder, pathological fear and anxiety. Eating disorders. An eating disorder is characterized by abnormal eating habits, hyperactivity disorder, schizophrenia, a long-term mental disorder of a type involving a breakdown, anxiety disorders, specific phobias, general anxiety disorders, social anxiety disorders, panic disorder, agoraphobia, obsessive compulsive disorders, OCD, post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, mood disorders, including major depressive disorder, clinical depression, bipolar disorder, personality disorders, eccentric, paranoid, schizoid, schizotypal, traumatic, emotional, antisocial, borderline, histrionic, narcissistic, fear-related, avoidant, dependent, obsessive compulsive personality disorder, eating disorders, including anorexia nervosa, unable to maintain a body weight, bulimic nervosa, regularly engage in discrete period of overeating to avoid weight gain, excessive bulimic, binge eating disorder, developmental disorders, autism spectrum disorder, attention deficit hyperactive disorder, ADHD, learning disorders, addictions, including substance abuse, dependence, behavioral addiction, gambling, psychological support to adolescents, provide proper knowledge, create suitable environment and proper sex education, training of emotion and satisfaction, take care of special interest, provide religious and moral education, provision of vocational education, arranging guidance services, role of nurses. Nurses actively participate to fulfill psychological needs of adolescents through various nursing services including community health care services, mental health care services and family health care services. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.